Hi, so in this video we are going to look at multiplying and dividing by multiples of 10, which could be 10, 100, 1000, etc. So if we're multiplying by 10, we are going to move all digits one space to the left. So we've seen this place value chart before, and if we're moving everything one space to the left, hundreds will become thousands, tens will become hundreds, and ones will become tens. Like this. We fill any empty spaces with a 0 so that we keep the same size number. And so 431 times 10 is 4,310. So if we're multiplying the same number by 100, this time we're moving all digits 2 spaces to the left. So we're going to move hundreds into the 10,000s column and tens into the thousands column. And this time we've got to fill in 2 extra zeros. So this answer will be 43,100. And if we're multiplying by 1,000, we're going to move 3 spaces to the left because everything's going to be 1,000 times bigger. So this time our answer will be 431,000. We've got to add 3 extra zeros in there. If we're dividing, we move everything to the right. So we were multiplying, we move everything to the left, and we're dividing, we move everything to the right. So if we're dividing by 10, and we move all these digits one space to the right, the 10,000s will become thousands, the thousands will become hundreds, until we get to this number here. Any zeros after the decimal point we can lose because they don't add any value to it. So we end up with 4,310. And dividing by 100, yeah, you guessed it, we move 2 spaces to the right. So in this case, we end up with 431. And dividing by 1,000, we're going to move 3 spaces to the right. So this time, the 10,000s will go 1, 2, 3, will be in the tens, the thousands will be in the ones column, and the 1 will be in the tenths column. And that's fine, it's 43.1.